How to change content location on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to change your location on your X app, formerly known as Twitter? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the app and then you'll see your profile on the top left. Go ahead and tap on it and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Here you'll find content you see, click on it, and then now you'll see explore settings. Now from here you can see so content in your current location is toggled on, just toggle it off. Then you can see explore locations option, tap on select, and from here you can choose the location that you want. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.